guys, welcome back to our channel. In honor of Fashion Month, we have a special video for you guys.
We sure do. Fashion Month is super busy. You'll probably be seeing this as Paris Fashion Week is wrapping up. Right. But we're currently in New York Fashion Week and we've already been seeing great things on the runway. And tonight we have an event, so we're like, why not draw from the inspiration we've been seeing on the runway to create our makeup and clothing looks. So that's why we have this get ready with us.
Without further ado, let's get into it, little fashionista.
Yes, let's do it.
I'm gonna do my concealer first from Lancome. It's the Teen Adult Ultra Wear Camouflage right here. How about you?
I'm gonna go in with my foundation, Max Studio Fix. I'm just doing like circular motions.
Yeah, now you should just tap in, problematic area.
I'm going down to my neck a bit just because it's at night. It's gotta match.
I feel like sometimes I put on concealer and just like, oh, I'm just gonna put in like few spots, and I ended up
Putting it everywhere.
all.
Yeah.
Well, no one is perfect. So now I'm done with the concealer. I'm gonna let it set and I'm gonna move on to my eyes. Ooh. I'm just gonna do my signature tiny eyeliner. You'll wing it out, then come back in.
I'm gonna move on to a bit of concealer. So just again, the problem areas because the struggle is real. I'm gonna be using the cream concealer by MAC. Just like tapping. And I'm just gonna put like concealer on my eyelid in preparation of my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Mineral Glow in bronze as a setting powder.
Oh, by the way, I'm using the MAC Liquid Lash Liner. Is the water eyeliner. So when it's on your eyes, it dry out, and when it dried out, it stay on your skin. Like you can cry.
For my next step, I'm gonna start my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in first with the Too Faced Chocolate Boom Boom palette. I'm just going along the crease. Having my concealer actually helps because I can see where to stop.
For the eyeshadow, I'm using the eye palette the Nubian 2 by Juvia's shade Morocco right here. Going to apply on my eye. Easy breezy. I told you guys when the eyeliner dry out, it's not gonna move. Look.
Girl, yes. That's the eyeliner I need.
Told you.
I'm also gonna go in with the Juvia's palette with Layla. I'm just kind of like tapping onto the lid.
Okay, so for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex.
For my lid, I'm actually going in also with another sparkly purple, but this is from the drugstore palette. It's the Almay Intense Eye Color Party Bright. Hey. And I'm going in with the middle shade, the purple one, just to accentuate the purple tones I'm going for. Sultry chic. I'm gonna go in with the shade Kenya, which is like a dark brown. And so that I'm literally just putting in the corner of my crease just to like deepen it. See how like dark it comes out. So one more shade and I'm done with my eye. I'm gonna actually mix Shiba and Ya to put in the corner of my eye. What are you doing next?
I'm doing my foundation.
I'm gonna go in and do my brows.
I'm using the Luminous Foundation Giorgio Armani right here. It's my favorite foundation. In circular motion, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. I just love this foundation. It's just so skin-like.
I'm gonna go in with my mascara. It's Perversion by Urban Decay, my absolute favorite.
My brows now. So I like to use this eyebrow pencil from Nature Republic. So like Christina, just feel it.
And I'm gonna move on to my contour and highlight. I'm gonna go in with my Aesthetica powder series in Tan to Dark. And I'm just gonna be using the darkest shade.
So for contouring, I'm gonna use the Luminous Seal Foundation, again from Giorgio Armani, but this is a compact, the shade darker.
And melanin comes through.
It's always coming through.
Yeah, for sure.
So let's bounce.
I like doing just like.
So the cheekbone comes through.
Right? If I do. Yeah.
When I get my face done, I'm gonna tell them to lift my cheekbones a little higher.
Goodbye, they're already good. You don't need to change it.
That's so sweet of you to say. So go back in and on the side.
So I start, of course, at the corner of my eye and just like beat it.
Beat it, beat it, beat it. I look cute now.
You always do. I'm full of compliments today.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your kindness. I have a pimple right here.
It's always like before you have to go somewhere.
There's like, she's a teenage girl.
They'll card you.
Hey!
Puberty or whatever. Now my real highlight. I'm going back to the basics with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm gonna start with the shade Snow, which is like the lightest shade right here.
Very gently. Yep. Yes!
The other highlight shade that I'm gonna be mixing Snow with is Gold Deposit by MAC.
Yes! Go on deposit.
Yeah!
What are you depositing today?
Only gold! Going back in with Gold Deposit, you can see how it like even makes Snow pop even more.
I'll use the white sand right here. Just like a little something. I'm feeling a little adventurous today.
Okay.
Look how pigmented it is.
Yeah. My blush, I'm gonna go in with NARS. This one is Liberté.
Ooh! I'm gonna do my blush after. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick.
Ooh, the lips. I'm going in with a lip liner. It's Pitch by ColourPop.
And I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip shade AC. Just blend them in together. Okay, and then I just smile and then blend them into my fingers. So here's my little trick. You see I still have some red color on my fingers. I'm gonna use that as blush. Just like a little bit, you know, because since I have the highlighter already, so I don't want to take away from it.
I'm gonna go in with Savage by Dose of Colors. So I'm just gonna let it dry. Because it dries matte, but I'm gonna actually apply the Universal Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty for that sweet spot where it's like semi-dry. And yeah.
Wow, magic.
I think I'm done. And of course, my last step is to set everything with my matte finish. And fan yourself.
Flick that wrist.
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna spray some on my face. And now we're gonna show you what we're planning to wear.
Tell me a bit more about the inspiration behind your look.
I mean, the 70s has been back and forth, but I'm really into it right now. I found this hat at the thrift store, the boy cap.
Cute.
And I'm just so in love with that.
Okay, it's a vibe.
Oh, this is my favorite piece.
Love.
Look at this plaid. Plaid is so in right now. You literally see it every show. And for the color tone, you can definitely tell that they have the vintage vibe, rust deep brown, and I'm into it. So with that being said, I'm going for a much more simple top. Just a little cami, and then tucking in the front to show off the pants.
So for my look, I actually really liked seeing the rust on the runway. There was a lot of like silky rust and stuff. I didn't have anything like that, so I went more for the overlay trend. I've been seeing a lot of like mix of textures. I have this dress that has kind of like a silky effect, like slip, and a mesh overlay. I'm really in love with the sleeves.
That's a cool sleeve,
right?
Yeah, look at this.
I love
Obsessed,
like
yeah.
obsessed, right? And the button detail like is just so bomb. I think I didn't want to just wear the dress just like that. I am pairing it, like I said, doing a mix of textures with a suede skirt with a silver like ring detail. Yeah, it really was to do the play on textures. I'm gonna wear the dress under the skirt.
That's cute, because I like the top part details, so you're showing it.
Exactly.
And then the bottom part, you know, the dress is cute, but you know, with the skirt, I feel like it's like
it elevates
elevated. Yep, exactly.
Definitely. It goes from like school party to like who is she? Yes. So tell me more about your outerwear. Are you going like the more traditional route or like something crazy?
So since we'll be in a cab and we're just gonna go there, I'm just going to wear my little fur jacket, and I'm just gonna keep it all night because since I'm wearing a cami, and I'm gonna have a little off-shoulder action.
Okay, that's cute.
Yeah. How
And
about
it's kind of crop, right? Too,
yeah, it's
like...
cropped, so it's actually good so you can see my pants.
Exactly, yes. Focus on the pants. I love it. I'm going more the rock and roll vibe. Again, play on textures. I have this like vegan leather jacket.
That's cute.
I'm just gonna like throw it over. Yeah, we'll just pretend it's not cold outside.
So I found this bag at Doc Martin. It goes perfectly with my outfit.
Yeah.
And it's so cute. It's tiny.
So I'm gonna do this little purse, which I find so cute. I love like the ring. I mean, we both love it because we both have it. You have the option to wear it as like a crossbody, but I think it's more chic tonight to leave this out, right?
Just hold the ring.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it like that and be kind of cute.
What about shoes? What are you wearing?
Ooh, I'm so glad you asked. So I love this like detail.
That's very cute.
And yeah, it's a suede boot and pointed at the front. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be wearing.
That's so cute.
Keeps me warm and it's cute. What about you?
So for me, I'm gonna wear this fabric block heels.
On trend.
It's gonna fit very nicely with the pants I'm wearing. Because I was trying stiletto before and my foot's showing and it's not very cute. So this is like perfect. It's covering, everything is black, winter trendy, and fabric socks. Yeezy.
Yeah, Yeezy season like 24.
Love you so I can dance.
We need to get
changed. Yeah, we're
Yeah.
gonna get changed. We're gonna look cute.
Yeah.
We'll come back. Wow, this is it, you guys. This is our complete look, and I think we're pretty happy with that. If you watched this far, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and let us know what you think about the video. And also let us know who's your favorite designer this whole fashion month, from New York to London to Milano to Paris. We would love to hear from you guys because we're fashion girls.
We love it.
It's time for us to go.
Girl, the car's outside.
And ciao!
Let's go.
See you next time. Love you guys.
Bye.